I bought the baseline 14-inch M3 MacBook Pro because all the reviews I'd seen online have given this thing a beating. So I wanted to get it, give it a go, test it out, and see what it's really all about. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I've started this YouTube channel so I could give you tech reviews from the average person. We don't all need the power of the M3 Pro or the M3 Max, and with the only two options Apple is currently selling that house the M3 chip is the MacBook Pro and the iMac. So I wanted to get the M3 MacBook Pro, give it a go, see what it's all about. I have honestly watched so many YouTubers give this M3 baseline MacBook Pro a slating. So I wanted to get it, test it, see what it's really like for the average person, and give you some honest feedback about what it can do and what it struggles with. I cannot wait to unbox this thing. The last time I unboxed a MacBook Pro was when I got the mid-2012 i5 15-inch MacBook Pro all the way back in 2012. So I literally cannot wait to get this thing unboxed and see if Apple still can do MacBook unboxings like they used to. This is one of the key differences between the baseline M3 MacBook Pro and every other MacBook Pro that houses the M3 processor. So on the left-hand side of the laptop, we have a brilliant MagSafe connector. The magnets are really strong on this, so you'll need to be careful if you've got the cables trailing across the floor, because if you're catching this, there's a good chance the laptop is going to go. We also have two Thunderbolt 3 USB-C connections and a 3.5mm audio jack. On the right hand side, we have one big difference between the baseline M3 and the M3 Pro or the M3 Max. Whilst all machines share a HDMI port and an SD card reader, the baseline M3 is missing the additional USB-C port. For most people, this won't be a deal breaker. If you don't want dongles plugged in everywhere, then this is something to consider before testing. But for most people, this isn't going to be a massive problem. Hey guys, so this is what the sound and the picture looks like with the MacBook Pro. Look, I mean, it looks reasonable, it looks fine. It's nothing to really shout home about, but it'll do the job. And obviously you can still always hook up your iPhone camera to this and use that as a webcam. The M3 chipset is where the MacBook Pros start to really get differentiated. The baseline M3 MacBook Pro has an 8-core CPU, 4 high-efficiency cores and 4 performance cores. If you can get by with them, brilliant. It also comes with a 10-core GPU and 8GB of unified memory. Again, biggest difference between this laptop and the next step up, which is the M3 Pro, is the jump from 8 CPU cores to 11, with 5 of those being performance and 6 of those being efficiency. We also get 4 extra GPUs, and the big difference is the jump from 8 gigabytes of unified memory up to 18 with the M3 Pro, which is it can be a big difference depending on what you're using this laptop for. Like me, I'm going to use it for light editing, messing around, bit of gaming, average use, but I want that extra power to give me the ability to edit on the go whenever I want, but still have the functionality and the versatility without costing too much money. Comes with a 14.2-inch mini LED backlit display, ProMotion up to 120 Hz, and it is fantastic. It is one of the best screens I've ever used, period. So, would I recommend the baseline M3 MacBook Pro? Yes, but it depends. You know if you're going to need the power of the M3 Pro or the power of the M3 Max. If you're just going to be doing some light editing, like I do on DaVinci Resolve 18, or if you're going to be doing some light kind of photo editing, I don't see this laptop being a problem for you. If you know you're going to be doing some high-end, in-depth, prolonged editing at 4K, you want 2 screens, this laptop isn't the right one for you. There's going to be the 14-inch or the 16-inch with the M3 Pro or the M3 Max. They're going to give you that better functionality for your individual use case. Doesn't mean this is a bad laptop. I don't get all the haters going at this laptop online. This laptop is going to be just fine. It's going to be a very good laptop for a lot of people. Please like the video, make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a more in-depth review of this laptop after a month to give you a real in-depth insight into what it's good at and what it struggles with. Initial impressions though, very good. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below on what you think about the M3 baseline 14-inch MacBook Pro. Thanks again, speak to you soon.